Oh crap, camera's running. Hello y'all! Well, this is a must here in Oregon since we have our mandatory mask wearing situation with our governor here. But welcome you all to our Hudash cooking channel again. So you will be surprised that we're gonna be doing something totally different today. Guess what we're gonna be doing? Our sausages again. The difference today is I'm wearing my GoPro right here. So you're gonna see in the video once this thing is all cut and done, my point of view how things gonna happen here in front of my hands. The other thing is our little secret spice mix has been already done, prepared, ready to go. I will give you the recipe. No, I won't, because it's a little family secret here from Saxony, Eastern Germany. This is gonna be in here. Different this time also, we're gonna have 10 kilograms, actually 10 kilograms and 300 grams of finest meat here from our meeting place in Oregon. We got pork shoulders in there and we got pork bellies in there. 10 kilograms. Last video was 5 kilograms, was pretty much a half of it. So since we gave some of these sausages to our friends and they were so freaking amazing that they were all asking, hey, can I get some? So that's why we decided this weekend we're gonna make much more. Also, we're not gonna make these little knubby thingies, we're gonna make long skinny ones this time, snack size. So I got collagen casings here, so they're gonna be longer but thinner. And once they're done and smoked and ready for eating, they go so just like that. Whenever we got something left over, I also have my hog casings here. Normal, everything is organic what we do. There's no chemicals in there. It's all super clean. Well, I think I talked enough. Let me get started here.
Sorry, I couldn't find out. It's all super clean in your music.
It is, I know that. Thanks, Siri. Okay. Well, once again, even Siri is talking to me. Let me get started on this stuff here and enjoy the show. Cooking show from Hudash. Okay, now I'm going to be changing that cutting blade here. Put this bad boy on it. And going to replace that with a much finer one, just a 3.5 millimeters here. So I'm starting the whole process all over again. Ugh. I'm just gonna swap the trays. There you go. And I'll let the fun begin again. So guys, over 10 kilograms meat has been ground. All I have to do is just mix it through one more time to make sure all the spices are totally mixed with our beef mix here with our filling. What is important that it needs to be kept cold. You do not want to adhere any heat to it or warm environment, otherwise it's gonna be falling apart. There's a process going on within the meat itself that keeps it all together. If it gets too warm, then it's falling apart like flour, sort of kind of, or crumbling like a dry old bread. So we added a little ice to it a little earlier just to keep the temperature down, and this is important before we're gonna start the process of sausage stuffing. You also want to make sure that you get all the spices well mixed together. Since we pre-spice basically the entire mix here, and then before the grinding and put everything through the grinder, it's already very well mixed together. This is just the final touch up right now. I want to make sure I don't have any spice pockets here, because this is going to be kind of nasty or surprising once you eat one of these sausages and you're going to bite into a spice pocket. That's going to be surprising. We want to avoid that. Other than that, here's our 10 kilograms of sausage, and I am really excited to start stuffing in any minute. Get all the stuff filled in, and we're gonna go from there. Yep, nice and clean, and it smells absolutely fantastic. Gabi and I, we had actually a piece of bread with that pure mix on it. We call that German sushi. In Germany it's called Hackpeter or Matt. You eat raw meat. Or not you, but we do. Germans do. We eat this stuff raw because we know what's in there, and this is very high quality meat we've got. We're not afraid of any contamination or whatever you guys call. So Americans are totally over with, you know, wash your hands and go in between and don't do this, don't do that. No, this is raw meat right here, meat and fat, and the way how we prepare that, this is super clean, and Germans eat that raw, just like you eat your sushi. Sushi is fish, we eat pork raw, same damn difference. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this thing sit for a minute longer so all these spices adhere to the meat itself, and then I'm gonna get that mash filled into my little lamb sausage stuffer. 10 kilograms of sausage right here, guys. Awesome. I'm all excited. Alright guys, here we go. Gonna be starting to fill up our little sausage stuffer right here. Well, there is no fancy recipe on it, but what you're trying to do is basically you take some of this mash here and you just flip it in. You make sure that you don't have any air pockets in there that could potentially cause some problems while stuffing your sausages. You don't want to have any air in there that could burst basically your casings. Check. These are probably 4 or 5 fillings, I'm right. A little more. And one more. Like I said, very important, no air pockets in there. You don't want to be biting into nothing. once you're gonna enjoy your sausage. So, there you go. All filled, all good to go. Now the next step I'm gonna be doing is filling up the casing onto our little stuffing tube here. I'm gonna show that in a minute. Alright, so here's our collagen or collagen casing, whatever you call that. This is basically our casing. What you want to be doing here, if you have a sausage stuffer like we do, I just filled that one as you saw, and you're gonna get the little stumble down here, and you want to be starting pressing just a little bit, so you have your meats already here on the opening start. Here's our little stuffing tube, which we're gonna attach right now. And I'm gonna pre-fill that stuffing tube also to get the air out, because I don't want to have any air in there. So here it comes, nice and neat. A little more.
Ansonsten mit Metterklappen oben drauf. Dann geht die Luft raus.
So, okay. Now I shouldn't have much air in that stuffing thingy here. Now they say undo it, and first collagen casing is something else. We usually using natural casing. Gabi and I did in the past. I would say undo it and then start with rattling everything onto the stuffing tube as much as you can. So if this is gonna be your sausage casing right there, and I'm realizing already it's not much sausage casing that fits on there. I should have a tube about that size. That would be much more helpful, but I think that will do it too. Nice and tight, because like I said, they're supposed to be nice and long.
Abschneiden.
Yep. So already almost.
Hast du angefangen? Dann geht die Kasse wieder. Hallo? Wir müssen ja auch.
All right.